Okay. Now I will read the full chapter today. I will read the entire full chapter. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to here, I will complete reading the entire chapter. Okay. After reading the chapter, we will discuss about the exercise. So these are the exercises. I think these are very important. After reading and explanation of entire this chapter, we will able to complete this all the question answers. Okay, let me check. Actually, you know why I just want to read this entire chapter, because I am trying to improve my communication skill, my English, that I feel that as much as I read the chapter, I get lot of vocabulary. My vocabulary is storage. My I can store my vocabulary. When I'm speaking English, I'm not like searching for words. Automatically words are coming. So it is very good for improve your communication skill. So now I will complete reading the entire chapter. Okay, let's see. These manuscripts and documents provide a lot of detailed information to historians, but they are also difficult to use. There was no printing press in those days, so scribes copied manuscripts by hand. If you have ever copied a friend's homework, you would know that this is not a simple exercise. Sometimes you cannot read your friend's handwriting and are forced to guess what is written. As a result, there are small but significant differences in your copy of your friend's work. Manuscripts copying is somewhat similar. As scribes copied manuscripts, they also introduced small changes, a word here, a sentence there. These small differences grew over centuries of copying until manuscripts of the same text became substantially different from one another. This is a serious problem because we rarely find the original manuscript of the author today. We are totally dependent upon the copies made by later scribes. As a result, historians have to read different manuscripts versions of the same text to guess what the author had originally written. On occasion, authors revise their chronicles at different times. The 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. The two differ from each other, but historians did not know about the existence of the first version until the 1960s. It remained lost in large library collection. So what is the meaning up to here? Up to here the meaning is that the manuscripts and documents এগুলো আমাদের প্রোভাইড করে অনেক ইনফরমেশন, বাট এগুলো ব্যবহারের ক্ষেত্রেও কিন্তু একটা প্রবলেম থেকে যায়। কেন? কারণ এই ম্যানুস্ক্রিপ্টসগুলো কিন্তু যারা স্ক্রাইবস মানে যারা লেখে, যারা কপি করে ফ্রম ওয়ান টেক্সট টু আনাদার টেক্সট, ওকে, এই স্ক্রাইবসদেরকে ডিফিকাল্টিসটা ফেস করতে হয়। অনেক সময় হ্যান্ডরাইটিং বুঝতে পারে না তারা। যেমন ধরো তোমার বন্ধুর কপি থেকে তুমি কোনো কিছু নোটস কপি করছো, অনেক সময় তার একটা হ্যান্ডরাইটিং তুমি বুঝতে পারলে না, তখন জেনারেলি তুমি কি করবে, ওটা গেস করে নেবে, গেস করে তুমি সেখান থেকে আনসারটা লিখে দেবে, তাই তো?